Today, I'll walk you through how to collapse and expand paragraphs and lists in OneNote, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to organize your notes efficiently so you can enhance your productivity. First, let's get started by opening your OneNote desktop application. If you don't have it open yet, go ahead and do that now. This is the foundation for our tutorial, and it's where all the magic happens. Next, navigate to the page where you want to create a collapsible paragraph or list. Think of this as selecting the canvas for your artwork. You want to ensure you're in the right spot to add your content. Now type your content. This could be a list of tasks, notes from a meeting, or any information you want to keep organized. Remember, the more structured your content, the easier it will be to manage. Once you've entered your content, make sure that the part you want to collapse is indented. This indentation is crucial as it tells OneNote which sections can be collapsed or expanded. It's similar to how you might fold a piece of paper to keep certain notes hidden until you need them. Now here where the fun begins. Look for the small hand icon that appears next to your indented content. Double-click on this icon and watch as the indented part collapses. It's like tucking away a section of your notes, making your page look cleaner and more organized. If you want to show the content again, simply double-click on the plus sign that appears. This action will expand your notes back to their original view, allowing you to access the information whenever you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to collapse and expand paragraphs and lists in OneNote. This feature can greatly enhance your note-taking experience, making it easier to focus on what's important. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.